It's so easy to fall off the wagon and just fuck your life up immediately. See, most of the time, my default state is this warrior guy who goes to the gym, who sleeps well, who doesn't drink alcohol, smoke weed, or do any drugs during the week, who says no to a lot of social events, who focuses, who meditates, who speaks to his family, and gets shit done. Generally quite productive. That's usually my default state of mind because I've practiced that for so many years. We're talking 10, 15 years. However, sometimes I slip off. And lately I've slipped off a little bit. Since coming to Bucharest, I've been very social here. I've got a lot of friends here. I just came back from a lunch meeting at this like really nice place and I ate so much food and I feel like shit right now. I literally can't move and I'm sitting here drinking a Coca-Cola, which is something I never do. Overload of sugar. Aha. Ate a fat chocolate eclair after lunch. Like I'm just destroying my body right now. I've been destroying my body for a few days. And I've been to the gym 3 times in 2 weeks since I landed in Bucharest. So I've fallen off the self-improvement journey. Not forever, obviously, because I know what my default state of mind is like, that I'm going to get back to it. But for now, I've fallen off and I feel like shit. It feels fucking terrible. Smoked weed a couple of times this week, which I never really do. Like during the week, I should not be smoking weed at all. That's just an absolute killer. So I woke up very groggy from there. I've eaten a lot of chocolate this week. I've been to the gym twice, but they were both very average sessions. I haven't slept well. I've been trying to fix my sleeping patterns. I've been somewhat productive work-wise, actually. Somewhat. Yesterday I was relatively productive, but other than that, not really getting a huge amount done. So I know how the average man feels. I know how the average man actually, what you go through. This is fucked up. Like, this sucks, man. I'm busted. I can't move. I've eaten too much food. I've eaten way too much sweets and chocolate and now drinking a Coca-Cola. I'm tired. I'm like, hazed up from the night before of smoking weed. I you know, have come across a couple of people over the last few days, whether it be online or that I've met, that are absolutely killing it in business and making much more than I am. And that made me feel like shit, you know? Coming across people who are making hundreds of thousands a month. And even if you're making zero and someone's making 10K a month, you're going to be jealous of that, right? So I was like jealous of the people that are making a certain level of income. And I'm like, oh shit, these guys are smashing it. How come I'm not smashing it? See, I'm literally all over the place. I'm like sneezing, coughing, literally falling apart. Falling apart from like taking my foot off of the gas of self-improvement for falling apart. Could you see? It's hilarious. It's literally hilarious. I'm just literally sitting here listening to myself, watching myself absolutely crumble to pieces. Literally crumbling to pieces. I can't even talk. I'm sneezing probably from the weed I smoked last night. I got no energy. I feel like crap. So I'm literally crying after the sneeze as well. You can see the tears coming down my eyes. Oh my god. Oh god. I'm a wreck. Is this how people live, yeah? This is how you want to live? God, this is terrible. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is a crazy way to live. Just completely letting go. Not worrying about what you eat. Not working out. Or at least having shit workouts. Not sleeping well. Smoking weed. Drinking alcohol. Socializing. Not saying no to people because you're not able to focus. Not knowing what to focus on. Not enjoying your job. Not making any money in business. Not being consistent. God, what a nightmare. That life must completely suck. And I see what it feels like. I genuinely see what it feels like from time to time. You can't live like this. You really cannot live like this. And at one point, surely you say to yourself, I've had enough. Surely at one point, you say to yourself, I've had enough. I can't do this anymore. I cannot live this shit life anymore. When are you going to wake up? When are you going to say that to yourself? When are you going to do it?